In this tutorial, I'll show you how to live stream VideoStar using Omelette Arcade. Before you can start live streaming, make sure you have an account with Omelette Arcade, iOS 11 or newer, and a stable internet connection. To begin, open Omelette Arcade. Tap the orange plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap Go Live. This is where you can set up your stream to broadcast to Omelette Arcade or switch to Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch. Tap Next. Under Game, tap the down arrow and search for VideoStar. When you see it, select it. Add a description of your stream. Tap the gear to set the quality of your broadcast, and select how you wish to receive chat messages. Save a copy of your stream by tapping Save to Device. Once your stream is all set, tap Done and tap Start. This won't start the stream, but it will confirm your settings. To actually begin streaming, select Omelette Arcade. Make sure your microphone is on, then tap Start Broadcast. You are now live. Switch over to VideoStar and start editing for your viewers.